All right, you guys, there you go. Easy as pumpkin pie. Hi you guys, welcome back to Kirshner FarmStead, and if you are new to our channel, my name is Kirsty, and today we are going to be making our own pumpkin pie spice. I know, the season is upon us, everything is pumpkin, right? Okay, so it can actually be hard to find pumpkin pie spice in the stores sometimes, and other times you just want to really know what's actually in your spice blends, right? Because how many times have you bought a spice blend and not paid attention to the label and brought it home and had it end up being the first two ingredients are salt and MSG. I'm not even kidding. I've had it happen more times than I would care to admit, okay? So today we are going to be making our own pumpkin pie spice, and it is so easy. It's only 5 ingredients, and it's gonna take about a minute to get together, okay? All right, so first up is 1/3 cup of cinnamon. You can, if you want to, get your own cinnamon sticks and grind them down. And then we are going to do 4 teaspoons of allspice, 4 teaspoons of ginger, 2 teaspoons of cloves, and 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. All right, you guys, we're gonna whisk this up. You want to make sure that you whisk it up pretty good so that all of your ingredients are nice and incorporated. And also, if you go back to Justin's fajita budget meal, you will see how much money it actually saves to make your own spice blends compared to buying them pre-made. It saves so much money. The fajita seasoning wound up being like 33 cents compared to over $1 for a pack of fajita seasoning. So it's like a huge savings. All right, that is nice and incorporated. And we are gonna, of course, be storing it in a mason jar. All right, you guys, there you go. Easy as pumpkin pie. No, but seriously, it is so easy, and I hope that you guys are encouraged to make your own spice blends. I'm going to be trying to make a few more just super quick, simple spice mixes for videos coming up here, especially with the holidays. They are fast approaching, right, guys? Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and share with your friends. It really is the best way to help our channel out. And as always, have a blessed day. Bye.